Hi, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today is race day. We're going to be using the vintage drag race action set featuring the Hot Wheels Club Original 16 Custom Cougar and the Custom T-Bird. If you follow the channel, you might have seen both of them reviewed in the past few months. Here they are. Here we have the Hot Wheel Club Original 16 Custom T-Bird. If you haven't seen the review, just click on that link above. And here's the Hot Wheel Club Original 16 Custom Cougar. If you haven't seen the review, go ahead and click on that link above. So in this race, we're going to have the best 2 out of 3. So let's start. The winner of today's race was the Custom Cougar, hands down. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today. Hope you had a good time. And if you like what you saw, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe? I'd appreciate it. And before you go, remember, Hot Wheels go faster, roll further. See you next time.